Hey guys, welcome to another episode about SQLite. So for today, I'm going to describe where statement. So what where statement actually is. It's the way for you to add a condition for some select statement. And we have been talking about select statement in our previous episode, and right here I'm dealing with database we have already used, and you know that we have this item table, and we have 5 elements in item table. There is item name column, units, and price for every single item. But what if we would like to select only item name? As you know, instead of providing this asterisk sign, I'm going to provide column name. Sorry. Item name. And now I'm going to run this code, and you see we have sugar, salt, bread, cheese, and muffin. And how to add where statement to this script. Just type where at the end and provide condition. Let's say we would like to see all of item names with row index less than 3. Okay. Row index, it's in item ID, it's less than 3, and I'm going to run this code, and you see we have only sugar and salt. And what if we would like to select only those items with row index greater or equals than 3? We are going to do it in this way. So greater or equals, and I'm going to run this code, and you see we have bread, cheese, and a muffin. And what if we would like to see only those items measured in kilograms? We are going to provide column name units where equals to kg. And you see we have sugar, salt, and cheese. But what if we would like to see those items measured in pieces? So we could do something like this. And if we run this code, you see we have our desirable result. But there is another way. You could say something like this. And you see we have the exact same result. Why? Because this symbol means not equals. And of course you could use like greater than and less than, but only with numerical values. And let me show you how that works. And for that we are going to provide in condition some numeric value, like price. Price less than 2.5. And I'm going to run this. You see only sugar and muffin. And in order to see things better, I'm going to provide another column in here, price, so we could see both price and item name. And I'm going to run this code. Both sugar and muffin cost less than 2.5 USD per unit. And one more test. Let's say greater or equals to a 2.5 USD. You see we have salt, we have bread, and we have cheese. And of course there is so much more with where statement, and that is what we are going to deal with in our upcoming episodes. So I hope that you like this content, and see you around.